Tutorial: Creating Variables. After creating a set of well-defined pools, the next step is to define variables and associate them with the pools. First, enter a name for a variable. Then select a pool to draw from. Finally, select the value type. Random is the default setting. The entire range selection assigns the entire range of the pool to the variable. Random selection draws a single value from the pool. Once drawn, that value will not be drawn again. Replacing the element position with a number draws a static value based upon the element position index from the pool. Multiple variables can be assigned to a single pool. The rest of the variables are created in the same manner. In the Strings tab, variables are created giving a name, selecting the pool, and specifying the value type, just like in the number variables. The same is true in the IP Addresses tab. Seeds are a special type of variable. They can be created in one step instead of two. To use a seed value, reference the seed name. They are created just like a number pool. Specify the seed name and the minimum and maximum values. The test value column allows for the overriding of the variable function for testing purposes. Make sure to read the instructions on the seed page to see any limitations using seeds. This ends the Creating Variables tutorial.